Hi guys, in this video, we will look at the top 5 best hair trimmers that are available on the market today. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Remington Self-Haircut Kit. This is the ideal kit you need if you want to have a quality haircut right at home. The trimmer is equipped with a power curve blade system which has a curved, extra wide blade that contours easily to your head's angles. You can use the clipper either cordless or corded, and you can wash it right under the faucet. It is the right tool for a customizable, reliable, and fast haircut. The shape of this trimmer is such that it reaches the neckline and the head's back easily. The stainless steel, precision ground blades help to cut the thickest hair quite easily, thus reducing snagging and pulling. Since it is fitted with lithium rechargeable batteries, you can enjoy 40 minutes of cordless use. At number 4, Andis Professional T-Outliner Hair Trimmer. Andis has been a well-known name in the haircare industry for almost 80 years now. This T-Outliner trimmer comes with a super fine, high-quality carbon tooth with steel blades that are ideal for styling, shaping, and outlining. This trimmer has a contoured shape because of which it fits comfortably in your hand, and the 8-foot-long cord allows a lot of room to move during use. This trimmer is equipped with the close-cutting T-blade which has fine cutting teeth that allows extremely close cutting, ideal for design work and fade. The powerful, high-speed magnetic motor hardly makes any noise despite providing excellent precision and power. Moreover, the carbon steel blades have been hardened to ensure long life cutting, thus making this product ideal for trimming mustaches, beards, and necks. At number 3, Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clipper and Trimmer. The Wahl Color Pro Cordless Clipper Kit features color-coded combs that make it quick and easy to find the right comb size. The convenient color code guide on the clipper helps make it easy to identify the right size and comb color in seconds. Finding and remembering everyone's favorite hair length is easier than ever. Corresponding the correct comb to the right cutting length is simple with our easy-to-see attachment guards. With a variety of cutting lengths, adjusting the trim length is pain-free. Quickly reference the color key on the face of the clipper and attach the corresponding colored clipper comb attachment. The clipper powerful, long-lasting rechargeable battery with a runtime of up to 60 minutes. Clipper can be used with or without a cord for ultimate convenience. Includes a self-sharpening stainless steel blade with outstanding cutting performance. The stainless steel blade can also easily be removed for easy cleaning. Color Pro Cordless is rechargeable and wireless. Cordless allows you to use the clipper on the battery or when it's charging. Since our blades are removable and rinsable, they are easy to clean. At number 2, Hair Clippers for Men Professional Hair Trimmer. Men's hair clippers designed for smooth, quick, and precise clipping performance on all types of hair with high-quality, long-lasting, high-carbon enhanced self-sharpening precision premium titanium stainless T-blade. The tip part adopts safe R outlining obtuse angle design. The professional edgers clippers satisfy any styling needs, such as lining, sculpt contours, and dry shaving. Our T-Outliner hair clippers for men with incorporated LCD screen can display the power in real time and provide timely charging reminders for a superior clipping experience. Our multifunctional grooming trimmer can also be used as a facial, beard, and body hair trimmer, providing a comfortable grooming experience for men. Our professional men detailer trimmer is equipped with a powerful 10W motor, which can provide higher speed and long-lasting using time. The electric trimmer motor is very quiet while delivering a smooth and effortless clipping in no time. It's not only suitable for men, but also suitable for children and pets. Finally, at number 1, Philips Norelco Multigroomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 is an all-in-one trimmer with everything you need, and nothing you don't. Our toughest multi-purpose trimmer boasts tempered steel cutting blades that self-sharpen and won't rust. The trimmer includes 13 pieces to trim your face and head, including a full-size steel trimmer, steel detailer, nose and ear trimmer, 3 hair cutting guards, 3 beard trimming guards, 1 stubble trimming guard, and a storage bag. The durable trimmer includes impact-resistant cutting guards, a steel-reinforced motor, and a powerful lithium battery delivering 60 minutes of run time. The blades and guards can be rinsed clean, and the device comes with a 45-day risk-free trial and a full 2-year warranty. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.